Today is Wednesday, November 28, 2018. Welcome to Secar News. Today we are going to talk about something relevant that is happening on the university campus. We begin with the news that has caught the attention these last days. The students of the Caribbean University Corporation, CAU Confounded Buenaventura, present some difficulties when entering the virtual platform. The students were worried and they fear that this will cause them some problems with their grades and subjects. The answer given by the corporation is that they have changed the platform and that is with something is difficult to access. They are that it ends on the slow when many people try to enter at the same time, and the finalists recommend fulfilling the record sets in time to avoid collapse when the time is about to end. This is all for the moment. We will keep touch. Reporting from Buenaventura, Lauren Patricia Palacios Bravo.